In our Color in Art video, we explain some essential principles that will help you understand the basics of color. In this video, we'll explain what warm and cool colors are. We'll talk about why these terms matter and how you can learn to use them in your paintings. The psychology of color can be complex. Understanding the nature of color in artwork will help you create better paintings. Let's explore the idea of warm and cool colors for painting. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. What is a warm color? The word warm refers to the nature of this grouping of colors. Warm colors often feature a reddish hue. For example, red and orange are warm colors. The term warm can also refer to the specific hue of a color. If any color is influenced by adding red, it becomes warm. These colors would be considered warm: red, orange, red-orange, reddish-purple, and sienna brown, which is influenced by orange. What is a cool color? Alternatively, cool colors are influenced by the color blue. This can refer to the color itself and color with a blue hue. If any color is influenced by adding blue, it becomes cool. Some examples of cool colors would be bluish green, blue violet, and royal blue. Similarly, the palette you choose for any painting can be cool or warm. Let's take a look at some warm color palettes. Orange, reddish brown, and maroon, apple red, salmon, and purple, purple, magenta, and salmon. Here are some examples of a cool color palette: blue, green, and robin's egg blue, royal blue, blue lilac, deep navy, teal, aqua, and dark purple. The colors you choose for any of your art will affect the emotions and meaning behind them. We as humans associate feelings with ideas and colors. Because this is built into our nature, an artist can be intentional with the color's influence on the viewer. We hope you learned something new about warm and cool colors as they relate to painting with our video today. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up and comment below to let us know what you enjoyed. Subscribe to our channel for even more helpful acrylic painting content. Hitting the bell icon will notify you of upcoming videos. Begin your acrylic painting journey by visiting acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides. See you next time!